Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog! We are here in Baguio! You want to meet my brother? Yes, brother! Hey, brother! You know, I'm eating strawberry! Strawberry? It's very delicious! You partner it with egg! You will try! You will put the strawberry inside the egg!
Palaman.
Shout out! Shout out to my followers! To my one followers named Delia Biltran!
Kala ko si Pilo eh.
Tadi nagpipinangaran kawan liwat diri ibis nga upload dati ini nagpipinangaran kawan liwat. Waray ikis dayon.